Here we present a project dedicated to teachers, where they can fit many learning material to work with children. My name is Veronica Guzman. I was born in the city of Santo Domingo. I studied at the Salomé Ureña Higher Teacher Training Instituto.
Hi, my name is Dana Jimenez. I am 21 years old and I live with my parents. I have two sisters who are very aged with a share. I consider my weakness. I am shy, try to speak in public.
Hi, my name is Catherine Paulino Meriño. I was born in Santo Domingo Norte, Los Pinos. Since I can remember, I have lived in Pueblo Nuevo, Los Alcarrizos, in different houses, but always in the same neighborhood. I have always lived with my family, but currently I live alone with my son. We are both students. He is 7th grade and I am finishes in my university degree.
Hello, my name is Catherine Valerio. I am 25 years old. I study initial education because I love teaching children. I consider myself a positive and creative person who is willing to help others.
The project consisted of several sessions. Students on the left, we can see a plan to work with the little ones on the issue of the coronavirus. We are going to learn about the article D. Please access the link. Tutorial. Tutorial, didactic resource, education video, and didactic activities.
The tutorial explain in how do you make a good impression. On this occasion, I made a podcast to deal with the topic of the first impression, in which I give several tips on this topic, which I have already published in the practice in various situations, and they have worked wonderfully for me. I hope the podcast is to your liking and is useful to you. Below I leave the link for your enjoyment.
Didactic resource. For this activity, the teacher made a digital magazine showing some of the culture that the United States and the Dominican Republic. This activity will help the children to identify the customs that we Dominicans have and to differentiate them from those of the United States. simple way. Each of the planets of the solar system, its name, what's happening in each of them, and many interesting facts about these planets. Below is the link so that you can see the video on YouTube. Hi, my little friends. In this time, we are going to talk about the planets of